Hello friends, is your cruise control behaving strangely? Maybe it works sometimes but suddenly stops responding? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0576, it means there's a low input issue in the cruise control circuit. This could be caused by a faulty switch, bad wiring, or even a hidden issue in your brake system or ECU. So where is the problem? Let's find the exact sensor location and fix this issue. What is P0576? The P0576 code stands for Cruise Control Input Circuit Low. Your vehicle's cruise control system relies on a set of signals from the steering wheel switch, brake pedal switch, and throttle sensors. If one of these signals is too weak or missing, the ECU disables the cruise control for safety. Common symptoms of P0576. Cruise control not engaging at all. Cruise control turns off randomly while driving. Check engine light is on, cruise control indicator not lighting up. Brake lights may stay on or off permanently. If you're experiencing any of these, let's locate the affected sensor. To diagnose P0576, check these key components. Cruise control switch on the steering wheel or turn signal stalk. Location: on the steering wheel or turn signal stalk. This switch sends cruise control activation signals to the ECU. Brake pedal position switch, also known as brake light switch location, above the brake pedal under the dashboard. A faulty switch may send incorrect signals, disabling cruise control. Throttle position sensor or TPS location, on the throttle body near the intake manifold. If this sensor isn't providing the right input, the ECU may disable cruise control. Clock spring, located inside the steering wheel. Location: behind the steering wheel, inside the steering column. A damaged clock spring can break the electrical connection to the cruise buttons. ECU, or engine control unit location, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. The ECU processes all cruise control commands and checks for faults. Wiring harness and fuses location, under the dashboard and around the engine bay fuse box. Corroded or damaged wiring can cause low voltage signals leading to P0576. Common causes of P0576 faulty cruise control switch. Buttons may be worn out or unresponsive. Bad brake pedal position switch. If it's malfunctioning, the ECU may think the brakes are always on, disabling cruise control. Defective clock spring. A broken wire inside the steering wheel can interrupt cruise control signals. Wiring issues. Loose or corroded wires between switches, sensors, and ECU. Faulty throttle position sensor. Wrong throttle inputs can cause cruise control to fail. Blown fuse or relay. A fuse in the cruise control circuit may have failed. How to fix P0576. Step 1. Scan for additional codes with an obd2 scanner. If other codes appear, address them first. Step 2. Test the cruise control switch. If the buttons are unresponsive, replace the switch. Step 3. Inspect the brake pedal switch under the dashboard. Replace if it's faulty. Step 4. Check the clock spring inside the steering column. If broken, replace it. Step 5. Inspect all wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Step 6. Check fuses and relays related to cruise control. Replace if blown. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test the cruise control after repairs. Ignoring P0576 can make highway driving frustrating and may indicate deeper electrical issues. Fixing it early will restore your cruise control and improve driving comfort. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0398, camshaft position sensor B, circuit low input. P0399, camshaft position sensor B, circuit high input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.